Take a sip of this chocolate strawberry banana milkshake and beat the heat. Learn how to make it with a quick and easy guide brought to you by recipes.net. In a blender, add the milk, strawberries, banana, chocolate drink mix, vanilla extract, and granulated sugar. Cover and blend until smooth. You may add more strawberries if the consistency is too runny. Pour into a glass and garnish with whipped cream, chocolate powder, and strawberry before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.